Hi guys, hello, good afternoon. How are you lovely people doing today? My body is so ready. I've been dying to cook you guys some empanadas, bro. I say that as like, I had to get everything ready this morning because I completely forgot. But you know what? It's good. It's all good. Better late than never, you know? The first thing that we're gonna do, basically, it's gonna basically be a cup and a half of masa repa, which is yellow cornmeal, which we used last time for our little cooking that we did. I already have my 2 cups of water, ready. I have my little vegetable oil that we're gonna be using. Another thing that we're going to be using, which every Hispanic in this world fucking uses for literally everything, we're gonna use sazon goya with azafran. It's just like coloring, but it gives it really good flavoring. And then just a little dash of salt. And that's enough, all that we need for the dough. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna be making the dough. The dough is extremely important and we wanna make sure that we don't mess anything up. Also, it's for the fact that I need to let the dough sit for 20 minutes once it's done being made. So that's basically what we're gonna do first. I'm genuinely really excited for the fact of doing this with you guys. I really enjoyed making the buñuelos with you guys last week, and then making arepas off stream in Discord with you guys. So I genuinely, oh god, well, we're off to a bad start already. Fuck. Okay, it's fine. Oh god, it's all over the place. Yeah, last week when we made our buñuelos and then we made arepas, you guys really seemed to enjoy it, and I got some really nice feedback from you guys. I do want to continue to try to make do our little cooking stuff, you know, semi-often. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna need, masa repa. I need about 1.5 cups of masa repa. Oh, well, there's never such a thing as too much. It's fine. I normally know how to cook in a kitchen, but having to do everything on stream sometimes, it's like a new thing for me, bro. It's a new environment. I remember the first time I started learning how to cook when I was younger. My parents used to be so scared that I would cut myself with a knife. And it's because growing up, I used to be very scatterbrained and not be very like attentive when I was cooking. And so like my parents used to be really fucking scared every time I would cook, dude. And I felt bad because like I'm still a little scatterbrained, but I'm a little bit attentive, you know, nowadays for the most part when it comes to certain things. Showing more of my Hispanic side is something I've been wanting to do for a while, and just basically showing off a lot of like Colombian recipes and everything is just super exciting for me, truly. She speaks the word Spanish to me. I'll speak Spanish to you any day, bro. I got you. You know, it's hard because like I know there's Spanish VTubers out there, you know, but it's not really common. Like there's a lot of like Hispanic VTubers that exist. Like obviously we know like Iron Mouse, like she's Puerto Rican, but like I don't see a lot of like people like they don't come across my timeline very often. Like the few that I know, like Cosita being one of like the main Hispanic VTubers that I fucking know, I don't know many others. Truly, I really don't. So something that a lot of people don't know, I actually went to school because I wanted to become a chef when I was older. I say that I'm older now, but back when I first started, even in middle school, like I had always wanted to be a chef. I took all 3 years of middle school. I did home ec and culinary arts. When I went to high school, my program was culinary arts. And I did all 4 years of home ec, culinary arts, and business management in high school. When I went to college, I went to, at least in my state, a well-known college for the culinary arts. I did my 2 years, got my degree, and never did anything with it because I ended up finding out, like, in the long run, I wanted cooking to be more of, like, a me thing and not having to work in a hot-ass fucking kitchen all day. So I kind of just kept that for myself, and it was more of a hobby for me. And I never did anything with it. I like cooking, and I cook somewhat often at home. But yeah, I did everything for it. I was a professional cake designer for 4 years, and I almost went to school for a pastry. And you haven't baked me anything, you greedy bitch. That's foul. That's actually foul. How dare you? That's wild. No, that's wild. Like I'm probably not gonna use too much of it. Oh no! Oh, it's so juicy. Fuck. I'm gonna have to actually put my my desk mat in the washer. Yeah, I'm actually gonna have to put my desk mat to wash for sure. I need to get Art of Soul being blinded by my whiteness now. It's literally like that meme from SpongeBob where it's bald, 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 my eyes. But in this case, it's white, white. So the next thing we're gonna do, my onion. Oh, this is gonna kill me. This is gonna kill me. Oh. Okay, hold on. What can I do? What can I do to save myself? I can figure this out, y'all. Hold on. I can figure this out. Hold on. Fuck me. Maybe I should do this in the kitchen. Maybe I should do this in the kitchen. I don't want to have to. Oh god, I don't want the stench of onions in my room. Fuck. All right, y'all. Give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna go cut this in the kitchen. I'll be right back. I don't want this in my room. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be right back, guys. All right, I'm back. Fuck my eyes. Oh god, my eyes, my eyes, my eyes, my poor fucking eyes. Oh god, kill me. My eyes are burning. I hate cooking with onions, dude. Fuck me. Okay, definitely BDSM. Listen, I'm not into BDSM. Like maybe, okay, like light bondage, sure. Like a little roping of the wrists or the feet, or like maybe like tying your hand to like the headboard, like sure, that's fine. But like the heavy BDSM, like you can miss me with that shit. After that, we're gonna start adding our filling. So for the filling, we want to do about 1 tablespoon of the filling, and then you want to be really careful when you're doing this part of it. You're gonna fold it back, make sure that this is in the middle. Stay put, yes. Yeah. No, stay put, damn it, please. The first one's never gonna look pretty, okay? I'm trying the best that I fucking can, dude. Oh, fuck. We're at the halfway. See, this one came out better. Look at that. It looks so good. It's actually coming out really well. Okay, let's keep at it. Look at my empanadas. Look at my empanadas. We did it. We're thriving, y'all. I'm so good. Look at my babies. Look at them. Look at them. Oh my god. I'm about to bust. I'm about to fucking bust. Oh my god. Look at them! Look at my fucking empanadas! Yo, someone needs to husband me right the fuck up now! Put a ring on this finger! Put a ring on it! Please! I'm husband material! Anyone! Please! Oh my god. I can cook! I'm a provider! I eat the booty like groceries! Yo, someone needs to put a ring on my finger! Please! Here you go. Have one. Bite it. Num 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 num. Here comes the plane. Do 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 do. Oh, this tastes so fucking good, bro. Truly, it really does. I wish I can get you guys to try one. I would cook for y'all, truly. These are Colombian empanadas. Y'all, I can't lie to you. This is good. This is good. You guys have no idea how much it means for you guys to be here, chilling with me, vibing with me, and, you know, cooking alongside me. I really am thankful to have you guys in my community and on my streams. It really means the absolute fucking world. Like, y'all have no idea. Thank you guys truly so much for everything. I really had a lot of fun streaming, making my empanadas, and it really means a lot that I get to show you guys more of my culture, do more cooking for you guys. I really have been enjoying cooking and showing you guys more and more of me. Much love. I appreciate you guys. I love you. Mwah. Have a nice night, guys.